Welcome back. 2010 Nissan Altima 3.5 liter V6, 222,000 miles. Needs spark plugs and coils. We're going to have to pull that upper intake to do the back three, that intake plenum. So we're just going to run through and do this pretty much maintenance. It's just got a misfire, but 222,000 miles. Even if it's been done once, probably around 100,000 miles, needs to be done again. We'll replace all the coils in the back because we don't want to just go in there and do plugs or replace one coil because you got to pull the intake to do it. So we're in there. We're going to do all the plugs, all the coils in the back, new plugs in the front. Leave the front coils alone because we're not having an issue. If we need to replace them and they start having a problem later, pretty easy to get to. Back ones, not so much. So let's go and swap these things out. These original coils, I think, 222,000 miles. I don't think they've ever been done. At least that's my guess when they're marked like that. Usually that's what that means. See all the factory markings?
Yeah.
Green, 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 green. I think these are factory. It's way, way overdue. Let's see if there's something here.
Dielectric grease.
Dielectric grease. Needs an air filter. Two coolant lines. I've got enough, they're flexible. I'm gonna pinch them off so I don't have to drain the system, hopefully, I hope. We'll see. You gotta make sure you just enough room to get in there. That's barely enough room to get at that one. This one's a little easier. All right, there's two, both lines undone. Not easy to get to, but not that big. Easiest would probably be to go to this. Get this loose. Okay, there's that line. I can stay right there with it. Right, stay with it. I know I got a couple lines back here. Nothing there. Is there a bracket in the back? Probably. Yes, there is. There's a bracket all the way in the back. It's got, I can feel at least one bolt on this side. At least one. And there's a hose I gotta get to. Sneak my hand in there, see if I can get further. There's a bolt right here I can feel. That for sure has to come off. So let me get in there and get that. You're not going to be able to see it. I'll show it to you when it's done. Rarely. Let's see what else is holding up here. Nothing. There we go. Oh, I know we're going to have some hoses to get undone, but there's a hose right here. We have to undo that. Let me get in there and get that. Let's see if that's it. What else I got going on here? Feels like I got something else here. I got a wiring harness that I have to get loose here. And it. Right now this hard line is attached right here. That hard line on this side is attached. So I gotta undo this Christmas tree just to break it loose. I think, yeah. So there's that bracket in the back. Okay, here, one bolt. You can take this one or this one. I just took that one. Set that aside. Here's the gasket underneath. We will be putting a new gasket in here. Don't put this back with the same gasket. Cover that so you don't get anything down in there. Just lay that on there. I'm gonna blow this off first.